Golisi had 13 Lambey sons. So I also came from Golisi. So I'm proud to say that being a Garifuna that preserved her culture, I stand here today to say that I am living my father's legacy. I am living his dream because that's what he fought for and that's what he believes in.
The initiative of the foundation to this gardening project is something definitely needed in our community, definitely needed for us as a people, and perhaps it is bringing back. We're hoping to plant a seed so we could bring back what was for our people.
How wonderful it is when you can walk out of your house and pull something, the cilantro that grows easily. You throw the seed and every so often you water and you have cilantro.
It just becomes a part of us in that village to embrace agriculture. Every child have their own little garden. I would call it maybe an acre plot of land where they grow sugar cane, cacao, planting, etc. Right? And it feels so nice when we can bring our stuff to the market, sell it, and we can pay our school fee, buy our books, and we have a little saving in our bank account.
I would take away the ideas and the entrepreneurial spirit that it gives to us, because I'm a person who actually loves business.
I think this is important for students like myself and others because it's very beneficial. You can use it in the future in any career because yeah.
Compared to last year, this year we really have a lot of crowd. The process was for the students and the parents to register, but even though as a parent, I saw that some students, they were not registered, they didn't turn back any kids, and I'm really happy to see that. Today the activity is cleaning up the community. We started from the Oak Street area. There were several groups, and then we all make our way at the park here, and then we are cleaning up the park, and then from here we are going to Golisi Primary School, where there is a next group there who is also doing community service.
Good morning, everyone. Okay, let me start with the trees first. This is a plum tree.
What kind of plum is it that you know?
Chinese plum. This is soursop. This is lemon. These two are lemon tree. This is guava. This one is custard apple. This is lime. This is mango. This is star apple. Then this is a breadfruit. That's cinnamon. This is dragon fruit. This is Suriname cherry. This is coffee, and that's cacao tree.
What happened is we started our backyard project, and my sister Georgette wanted us to choose a school to assist with the gardening project.
I'm so grateful for these fruit trees, and I really appreciate them, and my students will appreciate them also by nurturing them to grow to their full potential so they could bear.
Your mind is a builder. What you think you become. The serious attention is for the whole nation. Your mind is a builder. What you think you become. The serious attention is for the whole nation. Your mind is a builder. With the awesome power of the mind, you can create your future, your situation in the world. Your mind is a builder. With the awesome power of your mind, you can create your future, even the person you are. Your mind is a builder. What you think you become. The serious attention is for the whole nation. Your mind is a builder. What you think you become. The serious attention is for the whole nation. The power is a special gift of God created force. What is this gift of the mind? Fundamental aspect of your soul. The power is a special gift of God created force. Your ability to analyze, calculate, and visualize.
Today we have our cultural immersion day. The purpose of today is to preserve the Garifuna culture. Our kids in the scholarship program, I think it's important for them to know who they are and what they're about. We claim to say that we're losing our language. Because of losing our language, it's important for us to persevere in preserving our culture and our language. So for our kids, today was a day of cultural immersion to preserve and to reflect back on who was important.
Galumo gale lubuya salura lubuyera. Lubridu wenyo luni di ochaka. Di gono manda buke mo ako hamasi masi. Wafridu me unyole. Di gono manda di gono ni nuhe. Wafridu ha masi masi. Di gono manda Today
was very amazing. When I came, they had an entrance, like a protestant.
I got to see some stuff I never seen before, like the broom that our people used to use back in the days, and some beautiful pictures and artwork.
When I arrived, a group was playing the drums and singing, and then we had a tour around the different Garifuna histories and telling us about where we came from and that sort.
We learned the different items that the Garinagos used to use back in the days when they were traveling through Eurome, the process of when they were coming from Eurome and how they got here and the struggling they had to go through to reach here, and that is why we are
We're also proud to share that the Ministry of Education, in collaboration with the Pablo Lambey Foundation, has pledged to contribute 10,000 US dollars towards Wassani's continued education, an investment in his future and in the future of Belize. Wassani, we're proud of you. You reflect the very heart of our mission, and we're honored to stand beside you. Congratulations to Wassani and his family. Flyer.
Karibu